Look at this channel, earning millions of dollars every month just by creating kids' songs. Kids from all over the world tune in for the colorful animations, fun songs, and stories that both kids and parents enjoy together. With billions of views every month, it's no surprise that channels like these are raking in up to $10 million in ad revenue alone. Sounds incredible, right? Well, here's the best part. You can do this too, and you don't need a huge budget or years of experience. Thanks to AI, creating animated kids' songs has never been easier, faster, or more affordable. Want to know how? Stick with me, and I'll show you how to create your own animated kids' song videos in just minutes. Step 1. Generating song ideas with AI. Let's get started by coming up with a fun idea for our song. And guess what? We don't need to rack our brains because AI is here to save the day. I'm using ChatGPT to help me brainstorm. All I did was ask, give me 10 engaging ideas for kids' songs. And just look at these amazing creative suggestions. I'm going to pick the title, Dino Dance Party. Sounds fun, right? Step 2. Writing the lyrics with AI. Now that we have a song title, let's get the lyrics. Again, we turn to ChatGPT. I type in, create lyrics for the song titled Dino Dance Party. And within moments, we have a full set of lyrics ready to go. Take a look at these lyrics. They're fun, easy to sing along to, and totally perfect for a kid's song. Step 3. Creating the music with Suno AI. Next, we need some music. But don't worry, we won't be composing any tunes ourselves. We've got Suno AI to handle that for us. This tool can create music in a matter of minutes. So let's head over to the Suno AI website, log in, and get started. Once logged in, I enable the custom option, paste in the lyrics we created, select Nursery Kids Song as the style, and set Dino Dance Party as the title. All I have to do is hit generate and wait for the magic to happen. And there it is, 2 amazing versions of our song. How cool is that? Let's listen to both.
Dino Dance Party. Let's travel back in time to the land of roar, where dinos dance like never before.
Dino Dance Party. Let's travel back in time.
Pick the one you like and download it. Step 4. Creating visuals with Halo AI. Now it's time to make the visuals. For this, I'm using Halo AI, a super easy text-to-video tool that's perfect for creating animated clips. You can find the link to it in the description below. I'm going to ask ChatGPT to generate prompts for each scene in the song, then paste them into Halo AI. I make sure to specify the Disney Pixar animated style for a fun, cohesive look across all the scenes. Each video is about 5 seconds long, and I'm going to create multiple versions for each scene to give us plenty of options. Similarly, you have to create videos for each prompt given by ChatGPT. After all videos ready, we have to sync them. Step 5. Syncing audio and video. Now that we have our visuals, it's time to put everything together. You can use any video editor, but today I'm going to use Premiere Pro. Once I upload the song and the video clips, I arrange them to match the lyrics, add transitions for a smooth flow, and check everything to make sure it's perfect. Once everything is synced up, I hit play to preview the video. Looks great, right? Now all that's left is to download it as an MP4 file. And there you have it. We've just created a fun and catchy kids song using AI in under 5 minutes. It's that easy to make content that kids will love and that you can upload to YouTube channel. Look at this final version of our song.
Dino Dance Party. Let's travel back in time to the land of roar, where dinos dance like never before. There's a T-Rex stomping, hear that sound? Join the party, stomp around. Stomp, stretch, wiggle and sway, dance like a dino all day. Clap those claws and shake that tail, at the Dino Dance Party we'll never fail. Reaching high in the sky, stretch those arms and give it a try. Triceratops loves a little wiggle, move side to side and give a giggle. Oh, stomp, stretch, wiggle and sway, dance like a dino all day. Clap those claws and shake that tail, at the Dino Dance Party we'll never fail. helicopters running, they're so quick. Now tap your toes, 1, 2, click. Stegosaurus cruise with plates on their back. Swing side to side, clickety-clack. L, stomp, stretch, wiggle and sway. Dance like a dino all day. Clap those claws and shake that tail. The dino dance party will never fail. Now the sun is setting, the stars are bright. The dinos say goodnight, goodnight, goodnight. But don't you worry, we'll dance some more. At the dino dance party, forever we'll roar. Now the sun is setting, the stars are bright. The dinos say goodnight, goodnight. But don't you worry, we'll dance some more. At the dino dance party, forever we'll roar.
If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks on creating awesome content.